is like an opportunity to stand in front of the mirror, but not look external, look internal. Because it will tell me, can I really do it? And I say this to everyone, myself included. If I can stay away from food and drink for 16, 18 hours, I can do everything else. How many of you have a non-Muslim colleagues who they look at you and says, and this is, I always remember this was like 20 years ago. One of my colleagues looked at me and says, Dr. Younis, so what is fasting? I say, I don't eat and drink, from sunrise, from dawn to dusk. Looked at me as if I'm speaking French. And then says, no water? And I said, no. And he said, not a sip? I said, no. No coffee? And I said, no. Not a tea? I said, no. Nothing? Literally, well, literally. And I can see the changes. Nothing? I said, nothing. Dr. Younis, I'll be dead by now. And I looked and simple and I said, I've been doing it since I was 7 and I'm still alive. The point I'm trying to make, the way he is saying it, this is how Allah teach you and me. This is real for him because he cannot imagine. But for you and me, it's of course. I've always done it. What is the big deal? Point. If I can do that, and a lot of people think this is impossible, but I think it is possible. It's not I think, it's happening. Then everything else is possible. Especially when I am doing it for Allah. وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ وَالْعَافِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ وَاللَّهُ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. You know this ayah. Ali Imran. الَّذِينَ سَابِقُوا إِلَى مَغْفِرَةٍ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ. Run, compete, run to the forgiveness of your Lord. وَجَنَّةٍ عَرْضُهَا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Compete and run to Jannah, to garden. The width of it is the heavens and the earth. وَعِدَّتْ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. It is being prepared for those who have taqwa. Remember. Now Allah describes them. الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ فِي السَّرَّاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ. It's both in Ramadan. They spend when they have and when they don't have. And spend, we're going to come to it. Spend in many ways. وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ. Those who control their temper. وَالْعَافِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ. And those who pardon people. وَاللَّهُ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. And Allah loves those who have utmost goodness, generosity. So part of me, part of my taqwa is I am changing. Again, remember what I said earlier, day 1 of Ramadan, if I am the same as day 30 of Ramadan, I am a loser. I got nothing out of this Ramadan other than the hunger and the thirst, and Allah will not ask me, will not punish me because I didn't fast, or I did not get any inch closer to Allah. I was able to control my tongue. I was able to control my anger. I was able to be much more generous and everything. We're coming to this, then I for sure have improved, and I definitely beautified my cake. And it is up to you. And don't let yourself say if and but. But you don't know my children. And you don't know what I live in. Everyone, Allah knows more than you and me, but you can do it. The same, think of the example, and it's a true example. The story I shared with you, it was asked to me. And I was like, what is the big deal? Right? But for that person, it's a huge deal.